To power on the device, you will need to hold down the power button for approximately 2 seconds. You will see the power LED icon begin to fade up to indicate that it is being powered on. Once the device is powered on, the power LED will begin to flash. The amount of times the LED flashes consecutively will determine what percentage amount of battery life the device has. Once the device has been fully powered on, the GPS light will begin to flash slowly. As the device looks to acquire a fix, the LED light will flash more rapidly. The number of consecutive flashes will determine the amount of GPS satellites available. Once this is established, the GPS light will remain solid, in which case the device will begin looking to establish communication with an Iridium satellite. Lights on the satellite icon will flash slowly in the beginning, but as it acquires a signal, they will begin to flash rapidly. The number of consecutive flashes will determine the signal strength. Once a complete communication is established, the satellite LED light will remain solid. All lights will then turn off in order to preserve battery life. In order to check the status of the last report sent, you can do so by briefly holding down the power button. You will then see the LED lights flashing, which will indicate the last status regarding battery life and satellite fix. Storage mode is a power mode you want to use when you store the device for large periods of time to conserve battery life. To do so, you must press the power button for approximately 10 seconds until all lights turn on and start slowly fading down. When this happens, you may then release the button to enter into storage mode. To enter into alert mode and send an alert to the tracking platform, you can do so by pressing the configuration and check-in buttons simultaneously for a brief second.